small word, but filled with immense power. These cars we see racing down the streets, they're not just machines. They are symbols of speed, of style, of fulfilled dreams. Lamborghini, it's not just a name, it's a feeling. A car that doesn't just move, it breathes. Every curve, every roar, screams one thing: I'm different. There was a time when Lamborghinis lived only on posters. But some people, they didn't stop at dreaming. They fought. They rose again and again. And they proved if you truly want it, nothing is impossible. And hey, if this video inspires you, drop a like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more powerful moments, luxury machines, and dream stories. If you still dream today, remember this: no dream is ever too big. And a Lamborghini never moves slow. Now is your time to chase your dream. Dream big, work hard, and take yourself to a place where speed, power, and pride walk beside you. Lamborghini, it's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. And if you love that lifestyle, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, because this journey is just getting started.